it is Badtuna Bob. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And as always, I'm doing Bob things. And I just got in my hands, actually a few days ago, it's a DJI Mic. So why did I get it? Next month I'll be doing some traveling up north to Northern California and up in Washington State. I'm taking my drones as well as a few cameras, and I'm going to do a lot of outdoor stuff, and I might have the opportunity to go to Vancouver. So because the place I'm staying is only maybe an hour and a half drive, so that'd be great to have my camera. I don't know if I'm going to fly my drone there because I think you might need some special permission flying a drone, but we'll see. I'm going to do some hiking on a couple of trails, and so I have my camera with me, and I can also use this DJI Mic to do some audio besides just music in the background. Okay, so anyway, let's see what's in the box. Let's open it up. Ooh, that's nice. Just a plain box. And let's see. Well, let me put this thing off to the side. And here it is, the microphone kit. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Wow, look at that. Okay, so basically you have two high quality microphones. Man, I wonder why it's already on. It's already, I just took it out of the box and it's already already lit up. Look at that. So again, I have no idea how to use this thing yet, but the lights are all around, so I don't know if that's normal when you take it out of the box. Then this is the charging case, and then you have, this is the receiver itself, display screen right there. So, and then this is, well, you have two types of adapters in here available that you can hook up to your cell phone or another camera and so forth. But then this one is for your USB, micro USB C for Androids, and then you have one for your iPhone or iPad. So there you go, you got two options there. Alright, so we'll just put this off to the side. Let's see what's in the box here. Okay. So I guess what you get is a case, or not a case, but a little pouch for it. You can see there, a little pouch. And in the pouch, what do you got? Well, you got the manual. What else? Oops. I see. And then you got your furry balls for the microphone. Windbreakers, I call it. And then you have this cable to connect the receiver to the camera. And then another cable for charging. So that's basically it. Let's see. Okay, so just the manuals. So the next thing we're going to have to do is test these microphones and the receiver to make sure they work. And if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.